Namaste Yogis. Thank you for watching my channel Yoga with Indian Yogi. Today I'm back with second version of the video of Bhastrika. As we know, I talked about Bhastrika in that video, how to do it. Again, I will go in a little description. Before that, as I will start, this is my kind request. If you would like this video, that will highly motivate me. And also your comments, when you put your comments, so I know what is missed, what I should bring. So I highly request, please do these things. Now I will go on my topic, and the topic is the benefits of Bhastrika Pranayama. So before going on that topic, the benefits. So as we know how to do Bhastrika, and to get the benefits, first we should know how to practice properly, because if you will not practice properly in a proper manner, you are unable to get the benefits. So first thing is, in Bhastrika, I would say usually this matter is not in front of the viewers, that Bhastrika is like it is practiced in three manners. First, for beginners, which is called Samanya in Sanskrit. Second, for intermediate, which is medium. And the third is Tir, which is fast. So what is the difference? What happens in Bhastrika? Because we are utilizing our lungs. As much we will use our lungs, it's by science we are healthy. We are expanding our vital force, our aura. So what happens if we take first beginner? So it's same like you are enhancing your lungs, and you are increasing the capacity of the lungs. So what happens, for example, I'm inhaling like this. This is very normal, but what I did in our general life, we have been forgotten that how to breathe. With this technique, when we smoothly, gently, I would say deeply, when we breathe in, our respiratory system is expanded. So when respiratory system is expanded, it's directly affecting on our heart, and then automatically we are getting more oxygenated blood, more oxygenated flow of air, oxygen, and then our cells are healthy. So this is the science behind Bhastrika. So the benefits are so many after practicing Bhastrika. First, you get that oj, that aura on your face, because you are getting that oxygen, pure oxygen, and when you have that supply of oxygen, pure oxygen, you are healthy. This is the first thing. Now we'll come on the second part, which is called Madhyam, which is for intermediate. Don't start to be fast, and in yoga this practice is smooth. This practice goes beyond. So no need to be in hurry. And this is my kind request, stay there, because this topic is going to be very informative, very interesting. So stay tuned. The second thing is Madhyam. Now imagine, I know I'm utilizing my lungs with a big version, with expansion. Now what will I do? I will just increase the pace. So in number 2, the medium, the inhalation is same, but I will try to go with little fast pace. So second version will be what's happening, I'm inhaling and I'm expanding my lungs at maximum, but the pace is more. So what's happening, it's working on my heart. I'm getting more oxygenated blood directly to the heart, and what's happening, this blood is circulating fast entire body, and this is very effective. Again, very important thing. Why Bhastrika? People who are nervous, people who are out of control, people who are nervous, who are under lot of stress, they should practice this second version. So it depends what is your level, what is your problem. According to that, you may practice Bhastrika. So number one, very smooth, which is for your concentration. Because for yoga, for asanas, pranayama, meditation, for any field, any practice, you need concentration. So when you are a beginner, what you need that consistency. When you become a intermediate practitioner, you know your own pace. Now your working is to get physical awareness, physical working. So this second part is when you want your physical efficiency. Now the third part, when you become a master. So master means now you will increase your pace. Different levels. So in this master pace, it's highly just to aggravate. Aggravate or what? Means you are working on yourself. It's basically to expand your aura, to expand your energy. So this third part is basically connected with your physical and mental body. And if you know, your mental body has a deep impression on the emotional part. And when we talk about chakra, so as I mentioned, first part, slow, gentle, that works on your lower body. From Manipur, Swadhisthana, Muladhara, those three, they are on that first level. Second level, Madhyama, intermediate, it covers your stomach and the chest region. And when you are fast, means it's